Welcome to the Crypto Global channel. Subscribe to the channel to find crypto investment opportunities.
This video is sponsored by LaunchZone.
What is Polkadot? Complete set of cryptocurrency. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is a blockchain platform. By Team Dev definition, Polkadot is a multi-chain, heterogeneous and extensible technology. Allows blockchains to connect with each other to share data to form a common decentralized network. According to Coin98's definition, it is easy to understand that Polkadot is a network that helps connect individual blockchains together. It allows these blockchains to share data in a decentralized manner. Similar to Cosmos Network, Polkadot focuses on solving two main problems of blockchain: interoperability and scalability of the network. Polkadot's vision is to create a decentralized web, where our identities and data will be controlled by ourselves, not some organization or government. Who is responsible for building Polkadot? Basically, Polkadot is an open-source project and anyone can freely contribute to the development of the platform. In addition to the open-source community, standing behind Polkadot is the Web3 Foundation, one of the leading organizations in the crypto space. The Web3 Foundation makes a financial and technological contribution to Polkadot. In addition, the Web3 Foundation is also collaborating with groups interested in developing additional implementations on the platform such as Core Polkadot, Collator nodes, Validator nodes, Relay chain, ecosystem, block explorers, node explorers, wallets. Closing parenthesis. What problem does Polkadot solve? Here are the common problems of current blockchains that Polkadot raises to solve. Limited scalability. Example of Bitcoin and Ethereum, two single blockchain with top adoption. The average transaction speed per second on the network also stops at only 2 figures, while this figure in Visa is 24,000 to 40,000. Is it possible for the majority of users to switch from Visa to Bitcoin or Ethereum blockchain? Adoption. Blockchain in general is still new to the vast majority of users. It all needs to be simplified so that everyone can use it like the way we use the internet, applying it to work and daily life. Low interoperability. For example, A owes B 1 Bitcoin, B wants it to repay in Bitcoin, but A only has ETH. The situation is imperative that A has to transfer ETH to the exchange to sell ETH and buy BTC, then transfer BTC to B. In fact, this process may be simpler, but it is still quite complicated, costly in time and money. What is Polkadot's solution? The idea of Polkadot includes a main chain, relay chain, a solution to extend layers 2, parachain, and a bridge with other blockchains, bridges chain. Inside, relay chain, the central chain of Polkadot. It is responsible for connecting validates the parachains. In detail, the validators will stake above to protect the network, transactions including network administration. Transaction fee on relay chain will be higher than on parachain. Parachain is a solution to scale the network of Polkadot. Basic parachain is not necessarily a blockchain. It can be a dApp or a data structure, as long as it can provide a proof that can be validated by the validators assigned to that parachain. Most of the computation that happens on the entire Polkadot network will happen on the parachain. Bridges chain. It can be envisioned as a bridge between Polkadot network and other blockchains, providing interoperability between networks. You can see an overview image of Polkadot's design, in the image below. Information about Coin. What is is the native token of Polkadot network. To Polkadot is like BTC to Bitcoin, ETH to Ethereum. The current does not circulate in the market until the mainnet runs. Expected time is late 2019 or so. Token allocation. Token sale. Currently, the Polkadot project has not conducted any public token sale. Token sale will be done when mainnet launch. Distribution plan. There is currently no official information on when Polkadot network launch mainnet. The dev team makes a guess as early as the end of 2019, or beyond. When Polkadot mainnet, out of a total of 10 million DOT was created in Genesis block, 5 million DOT will be auctioned in the form of second price Dutch auction. 3 million DOT will be distributed to the Web3 Foundation. The remaining 2 million DOT will be distributed later. All DOT tokenomics information is still very vague in general. Polkadot has not fixed the maximum number of tokens in the network. We only know that in the first block 10 million DOT will be available. As for its later design, there is no official announcement yet. Today's Polkadot rate. What is outstanding about Project Polkadot? Here are some highlights of Polkadot on-chain governance. Basically, this is like how Tezos are doing, that is voting for the Voting Proposals Update Protocol. Nominated Proof of Stake, NPOS. NPOS is quite similar to DPoS. You lock your DOT, delegate shares to one validator to validate and add new blocks to the chain, then share the block reward. The fundamental difference here is that the validators will be randomly selected from qualified people, and this will change several times per day. To chain. The design of parachains does not require it to be necessarily blockchain, as long as it can provide verifiable proof by the validators assigned to it. All parachains connect to relay chains through proof of stake on relay chain. So the more parachains there are, the more secure the network is. Interactions on parachains are processed in parallel. So transactions can be spread across parachains, so that Polkadot network can process more transactions at the same time. Substrate. Substrate can simply be understood as a framework to help you build blockchain more easily. Substrate is not part of Polkadot, but projects built with Substrate can run natively on Polkadot. You can use Substrate to build new blockchains right now without waiting for Polkadot launch mainnet. What is DOT used for in Polkadot's ecosystem? Before I talk about what DOT can do in Polkadot ecosystem, I will talk a little more about validators in Polkadot network. Validators produce relay chain blocks, responsible for verifying and adding new blocks to relay chain. Collators monitor transactions happening on parachains and send proof to validators to maintain network security. Nominators nominate validators. It's like you delegate your shares to other validators. When these validators receive rewards from validating, adding new blocks, some of the rewards will be shared back to nominator. This is similar to delegate and DPoS. Here is a picture so you can visualize the interactions of the components in the network. Here are the three main functions of DOT in the Polkadot ecosystem from the user's perspective. On governance, DOT holders control Polkadot's future. In addition to rewards from staking, DOT holders manages special events such as protocol upgrades and bug fixes. Used as a reward for staking activities, DOT token will be considered as a reward for those who have contributed in maintaining network security, ensuring the network's smooth operation. Transaction fee on relay chain and parachains. DOT exchange. Team Dev has officially announced, Polkadot's DOT token will only circulate when Polkadot officially launches mainnet. Before that, DOT will not be on the market. Currently, there are no exchanges trading Polkadot's DOT token. DOT transaction fee. Polkadot has not been listed on the exchange, so the fee for trading, depositing and withdrawing has not been calculated. Transaction fee on Polkadot network has also not been revealed by Team Dev. How to earn and own DOT. At the moment, there are two ways for you to earn Polkadot's DOT token. Wait for Polkadot mainnet and participate in the DOT token auction. If you know code, you can participate in building Polkadot's ecosystem to receive funding from the Web3 Foundation. How is Polkadot mining DOT? You cannot mine DOT with miners like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The future of Polkadot DOT. Some projects are implementing integration with Polkadot, Oracle Chains, Chainlink, data curation networks, Ocean Protocol, smart contract chains, Edgeware, financial chain, ChainX, Catalassos, payment chains, Blink Network, bridge to Ethereum network, allows Ethereum smart contract to interact with Polkadot. We can see that there are also quite a few projects working to integrate with Polkadot. In the roadmap, the team hopes to launch the mainnet by the end of 2019 with relay chain and some parachains. Polkadot's model is quite simple and popular. As more and more projects connect to Polkadot's network, the need to buy to stake, use DOT in Polkadot network will also increase, making the value of DOT also increase. In the short term, the token price can be greatly influenced by investor sentiment and expectations for the project. Some points you need to pay attention to: is the mainnet on time as expected by the end of 2019? Which group does Polkadot's community belong to? Group of people only interested in price or group of people interested in technology, project potential? Design crypto, economic, staking model. Big investors, big exchanges like Binance, Huobi, Gate. Should I invest in DOT token? Some key points I list here, for your reference before making your own investment decisions. Products of Polkadot. I will divide it into two parts. Core Polkadot. The latest update is POC4, Testnet Alexander. You can learn more about this testnet here. Tools and ecosystem: Polkabot, Polkascan, Polka Wallet, ChainX, Ocean Protocol, Chainlink. Roadmap of Polkadot. The dev team expects that Polkadot network can be released to mainnet by the end of 2019, but roadmap is still updated with completion time. Crypto economic has not been fully built yet. POC 4, 5, 6, 7. TBD. Polkadot's partner ecosystem development. Web3 Foundation, open source community, projects such as Chainlink, ChainX. Technology development. Parity, Web3 Foundation, open source community. Large investors. The group has not yet gone public. Polkadot's opponents. Polkadot's ecosystem is still quite small when compared to competitors in the same segment as Cosmos or Quant. Token DOT. DOT is oriented by Team Dev as utility token, on-chain governance. Token DOT is used to nominate, validators used to stake in the system. Polkadot DOT has not released the mainnet yet.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to follow our next videos. Wish you success with the crypto market.